this here. One thing to note about this attachment here for this, there's already an adhesive on the back of this. The one that they give you in the package is like an additional one, so you won't need to take the one that they give you additionally in there and place it on the back of this, because there's already going to be an adhesive on the back of here. And I just pushed it against here for about 30, 60 seconds, and I didn't put this head on until like I waited, you know, probably an hour just to kind of let it sit, and then I put this head on here. But here, I'll turn it on to show you. This here can adjust, so that way you can bring this neck up and down. And this one here, this can loosen as well to adjust the whole head up here. And this thing can move a little bit on its own. The pressure on it is actually really good. Actually feels good. It's definitely got a way bigger range of water than what, you know, a traditional shower head would have. And then for you to switch it from here, there is, you're just going to turn this little guy all the way up. And you got obviously a few different settings on here. Just turn it to move it, just switch them. Look, there's one more setting on here. Let me see if I can get it. There's one more to the left. I'm trying to do this one-handed. My bad. If I can manage to get it. That's the last setting. So you got that, you got this, and then you got the other one. So yeah, overall, I think it's actually definitely a good buy.
This is the dual shower head that I bought. It's really good. These stains, I could easily wash these off. I have used this and put some oils on it, so it kind of got on it. But trust me, these wash off, and it's like a mirror. So it's pretty cool. Let me turn it on. So this is how it looks when it turns on. Really thin. Smooth. Down, straight over your head. Or you can tilt it. Or you can turn it. I like to keep it like this. This little piece right here. Have it both on, or just this on. Let me see if I can get a better view. How it looks. Hope this is good enough. Sorry if I didn't explain it. I wish I would have put it together and showed you. But yeah, I didn't. That is it.